Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete this week's Fashionwave memory journal. So the first one is to add any photos to your Fashionwave memory journal, and the second one is to add any stickers to your Fashionwave memory journal. I think it's this one over here. You're just going to press the edit button and it's going to bring you to this page if it's going to load. There we go. And you're just going to press this button here. So I'm just going to select a firework image that I took. I like this one the most, so confirm. I'm also going to add, how do I add stickers here? Oh, there we go. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry guys. Like, I'm overexcited, I know. Okay, and then you can obviously add more pictures, but I'm going to add more as the time goes on. And then you will get some Fashionwave tokens from completing for completing that. There will be more next week. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!